Yay! Oh, slide. Okay, one for Emmanuel, one for Liana. One. Wait. Sabay kayo. One, two. Wee! Wee! Good. Okay. Daddy!
Yes. Okay, go. Okay, ready? Go. Woohoo! Woohoo! Who's gonna go first? Who's gonna go first? Are you gonna jump? Huh? Liana? Manuel, where are you going? Where are you going, Manuel? Papa Church. No, it's Pastor Mary's church. Yeah. Okay, I like your shoes. Can you show off your shoes? Yeah.
This with sand. More. More, please. Here. Here. More, please. Liana, Emmanuel. See, look. Mommy's gonna make a castle. Oh, look. Oh, here, oh. Oh, Emmanuel's filling it with sand. Yay!
You play the Okay, Liana, look at that. Okay,
No.
we're gonna create a castle.
Ready? You go
Castle.
Castle. Ready?
Okay.
Tingnan mo.
Okay.
Tingnan mo, Emmanuel.
Oh,
One,
Liana, look at that.
2.
Wow! It's a castle.
How about a crab? Let's put this one. You feel this one?
Crab and
This.
the duck. Where's
Come
the
here.
duck?
Ayan o, ganyan o. You feel it with sand. Push na lang tayo. Ay, Emmanuel? Ayun mo na o. Tingnan mo o. Oh, look o. Wow. No shoes in there, just hands.